Now going to show you how you can edit or delete an existing pupil amendment request. Once you have requested any amendments and before you have submitted your full return summary, you will have an opportunity to either edit the information or edit the evidence you have provided to support your request, or delete the entire pupil amendment request. Here, I'll show you how to edit or delete an amendment request previously created. You will have already logged on to the CYPMD portal using DFE sign-in. You will have the opportunity to view your pupil CSV files again, or click Continue. Here, you can view all of the amendments you've already requested, and you can select the Edit button next to the pupil's name. Click Edit. Click Continue to confirm that this is the pupil you wish to edit. Click Continue. Now you will be able to edit the pupil request you already made. For this example, I will change the date on the first school in England that the pupil has attended to the 10th of September 2022. And the arrival date to the 31st of July 2022. Click Continue. Click Continue. You will now see a summary of this pupil removal request. Please check the information displayed. Now this has been corrected, we can click Continue. I will now show you how to add an additional piece of evidence to the terminal critical illness case. Click on the Edit button next to the pupil's name. Click Continue. Click Continue. Click Continue. Click Add File. Navigate to the correct folder and upload your new evidence. Click Continue. You can't edit a pupil. You can only edit information or evidence related to the pupils you've already requested amendments for. If you requested amendments against the incorrect pupil, you will need to delete that incorrect request and raise a new request against the correct pupil. To delete a pupil amendment request, please click on the Delete button next to the amendment request. The next video will show you how to submit your full return summary.